Hello, today we are going to discuss some properties of matrices, and particularly today we are going to discuss about the multiplication property of matrix. Suppose you have two matrices A and B which are conformable for the product AB if the number of columns in A is same as the number of rows in B. Therefore, if A is a matrix of order m cross n, A is a matrix of order m cross n and B be a matrix of order n cross p, then the product of matrix which is defined as AB is nothing but a matrix of order m cross p. Okay, and it defined as AI1 B1j plus AI2 B2j plus AIN BNJ. Or we can write sum over AIR BRJ, where R equals to 1 to n. Okay, now let's see this with an example. Suppose we have two matrices. The first matrix is defined as 2 0 7. This is the elements of first row, and this is the second row, and this is the third row. So it is a square matrix of order 3. And the next matrix is defined as minus x, 14x and 7x. In the next row we have 0 1 0, and in the last row we have x minus 4x and minus 2x. Now with the help of matrix multiplication we need to find the value of x in this matrices. Okay, in this matrix. So first of all, and we have been told that the product is equals to a identity matrix. As we can see that it is a 3 cross 3 matrix and it is also a 3 cross 3 matrix. Hence the product must be a 3 cross 3 matrix, and we have been told that the product is an identity matrix, so it is going to be an identity matrix of order 3. Okay, so let's see. We can write, first of all, we have to multiply the first row with the first column. As we can see that the first element is 2 and here the first element is minus x, then the multiplication is minus 2x, and then plus and 0 multiplied by 0. As we can see that the second element is 0 and in the first column the second element is also 0. So 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, and the last one is 7x. Similarly, the next row, the next element of the first row is going to be the multiplication of the first row of the first matrix and the second column of the second matrix. So it is going to be 28x plus 0 minus 28x, and in the last element we have 14x plus 0 minus 14x. Okay, Similarly, we define the next row also. In here 0, and 0 multiplied by minus x is 0, 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, and 0 multiplied by x is also 0. So this element is going to be 0. For the next one we only have 1, and for the next element we only have 0. In here we have minus x plus 0 plus x. Now in the last row the second element is going to be 14x minus 2 minus 4x, and for the last element we have 7x 0 minus 2x, and by the question it is equals to a unit matrix, and we know that a unit matrix is defined as 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Therefore the whole matrix, after addition we get here 5x, here we get 0, here also 0, here we get 0, here we get 1, and here we get 0, here also 0. In here we get 10x minus 2, and in here we get 5x. Okay, and it is equals to 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Okay, now we have to compare the elements. Therefore we get 5x equals to 1, 10x minus 2 is equals to 0. So after comparing these elements we get the value of x as 1 by 5, and here we also get 1 by 5. Therefore the value of x is 1 by 5. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.